What's up, YouTube? Today I got a new video, new product. In my description there will be a link where to buy. Well, it is a electric screwdriver. As you can see, that's the way it looks. It's rechargeable, aluminum, power, tell you that it's on, 150 plus RPM, magnetic and dual. It goes, like you see, magnetic chuck. Okay, so let's get it open. You see, comes with charger. It comes with this little tool right here to take the magnet off and for putting magnet on. Okay, it comes in like this. As you can see, the top is held by magnets. Comes just like this. Screwdriver, and these are different sizes. Tips. So this is your screwdriver. Rewind and forward. Take off this top right here. Is where you charge. Remove a tip, and comes with a light, as you can see. Awesome. Comes with a light and everything. So now I'm going to show you how it works. Take some screws off and put them back in. Check it out. Okay, as you can see, start head, put it there. You can see the light turns on. You can see. Okay, screws off. Okay. Pretty cool. Not too bad, and it's not too strong, but for electronics and stuff like that, it's pretty cool.